In this video, we're going to show you how to install the air filter on your Ford Taurus 3.5 liter engine located under your hood. With the hood open, locate your air filter box, which is right here in front of the battery. On the back side, there's going to be two spring clips. There's one here, just clip that off, and there's one right behind it, pop that off. Now this is going to come loose a little bit. What we're going to do is we're going to come back here to this hose right here. There's a little gray clip. We're just going to gently pull that and slide that over and then pop that off. We're going to lift this and pull it back. Lift up, pull that filter out, discard that. You always want to inspect the inside of the base of the air box, make sure there's no leaves or debris in there. If there is, go ahead and grab a vacuum, clean that up. Ours is clean. Go ahead and grab your filter. Make sure that the screen side is facing up. Drop that down, make sure it's good. Now on the front side here, you have three tabs. These need to go into three holes on the airbox base. Push those tabs in, drop that down. Push up on the clip, do the same on the back. Clip those on. Once you clip these here, install the hose on the back side. Just push that on, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.